Fixing this rim. It's almost there. I'm not caring about no chrome. Paint them black again. But it's almost there, look. This thing was really bad. It was like up to here. That's why you see these nicks right here, but I'm not caring. See, the starts from here to here. It's only that one and this one. I'll fix this one too. Has a little lump right here on this lip, but this one has to go down. And then this one's good. The one on the bottom has a little small hit, but I'll fix it. This one's warped over here too, so this one got to come out a little bit. I gotta do this right here. Will be good. To know about making them look right again. Look at that. Look at that. Back nice and round. Look at that. All you need is a rag or an old shirt and the mighty Thor, mini Thor. Next one is this one right here. This one's gonna be a little bit more difficult because it's right here too. It's not that bad, so it's just the lip, so I gotta do the lip. But that one's already done. Like I said, I don't care about the chrome. There you go. Looks better than what it was. It's a little bit flat, but this is what matters. It's straight. It's curved. There's no flat spot. The flat spot is outside, and you really can't tell too much. It's like right here, so I might hit it right there, push it out. But if you notice, this one is not that bad. So it's this one right here. I gotta push out a little. I'll be back. Hold on. There you go. A little bit better. This still has to come out a little right here. I can see. See how it's not round right there? But that's just the lip. But I'll push it back out right now. Hold on. Alright. There you go. Much better. Look at that. There's a dent right here. I can see it on the right here. Somewhere right here. But it doesn't matter. It's probably from me hitting the chrome right off. Look. But I don't care. I'm going to sand all that down. Get them ready. Prepped up. All black. Easy fix. Done with the second one already. That was the first one. Remember the second one had a big lump. I'm not going to tell you guys where it was. See if you guys can tell. And it had one in the back. Look at that. Just gotta take it real quick to somebody I know. Make sure they align it right. Warm it up, push it down wherever gotta get pushed down. I still got one more over here. I think it's this one. Let's see. Right there. That's an easy fix. I think it's the only spot. And on the back, this one is good, so I'll do that one right now and I'll be done. Hold on, guys, ladies and gentlemen, and that's how it's done. It's all fixed. You guys can't even tell where it was unless you guys look for the missing chrome. Okay, so I gotta hit this one a little bit more, or either that or I went in too much. No, just a little bit right there. All right, guys, check this out. I'm already done with all of them. They're a little bit still Still needs a little bit of work, but I mean, you can't tell that much. I mean, it looks round. I don't see any flat spots. Sorry about that. But that was a good workout. How to use the baby Thor hammer right here. This is 4 pounds. How to use that. Sorry for my work table. It's a mess, I know. But all of them have been fixed. Ready for the Regal. Now all I gotta do is wash them, sand them down, take off all that rust. This is the worst one, I think, and the bottom one. But it don't matter. I'll just sand them down, flat black them, get them ready for the Regal. And put them on. But yeah, I can't show. I don't know if I showed you guys by accident, but the dashboard's already done. I'm waiting for the Regal still. I hope he brings it this week, but I'm still waiting. These rims will be for the Regal for spares, while the ones that I have on will be sent out to go and get them the spokes redone, colored the same, almost about the same color as the car. Bring it back, or probably get them all powder coated, flat black. I'm trying to see if I see any more flat spots, but I might be tripping. I don't know if this one. I think this one right here needs a little bit of work. I'll do that later. Once it's on a tire, I'll be able to tell where I need to work on them. But like I said, as you guys can see right there, I went flat black. But I'm not going to show you the whole dash, how it looks now, because there's a little bit of details on it that I haven't shown. But stay tuned. Hopefully, once that Regal gets here, guys, I guarantee you I will have a bunch of videos, probably doing lives, or I'll just start filming while I work on it, or I'll do lives when I'm working on it. I just have to go on and off here and there, you know, off screen, so I won't be able to read your comments. But yeah, all right, guys, with that said, thank you guys for the support. Oh, you guys did see the dash. My bad, I'm trucking it, but oh well, you guys didn't see completely how it looks, the rest of it. But yeah, guys, I'm done with these. Just gotta get 2 tires. I don't know where I'll buy them. I'll probably buy 3, because that one over there is still good. The one on the bottom, the one on top, it's all right, but I'll just keep this one in the house. But this one is still real good. Like, I'll probably end up buying 4 brand new, leaving those 2 here somewhere, put them up there somewhere. I'll find something, because all this is going to be gone. All that should be gone once the Regal comes, so I'll have room to put stuff. So thank you guys for your support. Stay tuned.